Ivana Alawi idinamay ng asawa ni Albi Benitez sa isinampang reklamo. Tara at pag-usapan natin yan. Pero bago ang lahat, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel ay huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe para lagi kang updated sa latest chika. May naglabas ng complaint affidavit ni Ginang Dominic Nicky A. Lopez Benitez, may bahay ni Albi Benitez na nanalong congressman sa 2025 midterm elections para sa Lone District ng Bacolod. Nakasaad sa complaint ni Ginang Dominic na isinampa niya sa Makati City Regional Trial Court, ang reklamo niya kay G. Alfredo Albi Abelardo Bantog Benitez for violation of Sections 5A2 Republic Act 9262 o Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act 1004. Sa mahabang complaint affidavit ni Ginang Dominic sa 24.4.6 ay nabanggit ang pangalan ng vlogger at actress na si Ivana Alawi na umano'y karelasyon ni Kong Albi. Parte ng salaysay ng Ginang, while I heard rumors of respondents, Mayor Albi, infidelity early on, I had no proof of such facts. It was only when I received the petition for declaration of nullity of marriage filed by the respondent and after reading the admission of respondent of having fathered two illegitimate children, and his implied admissions of his current illicit relationship with Ivana Alawi, that I was able to confirm his marital infidelity. I felt utterly betrayed by the respondent and was devastated beyond compare after finally discovering and confirming the truth in respondent's lies, aniya. Ang complaint affidavit ay ipinost ng netizen na nagngangalang Jonathan de la Cruz. Samantala, ayon sa aming reliable source, kaya raw nag-file ng VAWC si Ginang Dominic ay dahil nagpapaanal na si Kong Albi at 21 years na raw silang hindi nagsasama bilang mag-asawa. Matagal na silang may separation of properties 21 years ago, so why only now would she file a VAWC case? Saad ng aming source, chikahan naman ng netizens ngayon na kaya raw pinapaanal na ng kongresista ang kasal nila ay para maging legit na ang relasyon umano nila ni Ivana. At dyan na po nagtatapos guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.